couple of weeks ago before I went on holiday, I noticed that quite a few of the peppers had started to ripen. So now I'm back and I can see here they've got the clockwork orange and we've got the fatale yellow have ripened. An enormous amount of death spirals, and over here 7 pot peaches, although they're very red. They're redder than I thought they would be. And unfortunately for me, the reapers are on the ripen. Now, look at these monsters. I'm not going to test the reaper today. I am going to do that maybe later in the week when I'm feeling a bit braver. But in the meantime, what I am going to try today is one of these Bhut Jolokias, the ghost pepper. One of the hottest chilies in the world. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little afraid of this one because this is a genuine super hot. So here we go. Let's give it a bash. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's really hot. Oh, that's bad. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. Okay. And the thing with the ghost chilli, oh, is that it's a bit, look, I've only had a little bit. I'm not having any more. Oh, that's hot. And the thing with the ghost chilli is, hello. The thing with the ghost chilli is that it's a builder. You get an initial hit of heat. Oh. 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 Whew. Okay. It's fruity, but it has an initial bite. Oh, and it doesn't. What it isn't doing. Oh, it isn't subsiding. The ghost peppers. I'm making a video. The ghost peppers. The heat builds. I think because I've only eaten the one. The one bite. Oh, it's not getting any worse, but. That is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Oh boy. And it's that is a genuine heat. Oh, not just a sting on the tongue. Oh, this doesn't bode well for the Carolina Reaper later in this week. Oh, I'm going. Bye.